Om Sri Sai Ram. My humble pranams to the lotus feet of Swami. Today's topic in this spiritual discourse channel is Vaidyo Narayano Arihi. This phrase is taken from Vishnu Sahasranama Sloka.
शरीरे जर्जरीभूते व्याधिग्रस्ते कलेबरे औषधं जाह्नवीतोऽयं वैद्यो नारायणो हरिः.
This sloka is generally recited while taking medicine. The meaning of this sloka is when the body is suffering with disease, medicine is like holy water of Ganga, and the doctor is none other than the Supreme God Sriman Narayana, who is Dhanvantri Rupi Paramatma. Who is Dhanvantri? Dhanvantri is the god of medicine and an avatar of Lord Vishnu. During the Samudra Manthan, arose from the ocean of milk with the nectar of immortality. It is common practice in Hinduism for worshippers to pray to Dhanvantri, seeking his blessings for sound health for themselves and others. Then, who is the doctor's doctor? The answer is none other than our beloved Saima. While chanting Sai Sahasranama, we chant his name as Om Sri Sai Sarvaroga Nivarine Namaha. That means one who removes all the diseases. Our Swami's way of curing diseases is unique. He cures the diseases with Vibhuti. In previous avatar as Shirdi Sai Baba, his way of treatment is different for his devotees. One of the incident we can relate is Nana Sahib Chandrakar, a devotee of Baba, suffered from intense stomach pain. He was restless the whole day and night. Doctors administered syringe which produced no effect. Then he approached Baba, who told him to eat barfi mixed with ghee. This recipe gave him complete relief. Later, Sai Baba started giving Udi as medicine. Our Swami says, "You will understand me only through my work. That is why sometimes, in order to reveal who I am, I myself show you my visiting card, something that you call a miracle. They are neither magical tricks nor Siddhic powers, which can come to everybody with the appropriate discipline and yoga. But my powers to protect, heal, and save people and materialize objects originate in God and can be used only by an avatar. They are in no way designed, disciplined, or developed, but flow from cosmic power." Swami says, health and happiness go together. Happiness is a vain dream if health is absent. The Holy Scriptures declare that health is very basic quality for man, since without it he cannot realize any of the four goals of life: right doing, right desiring, right earning, and final release. A sound mind needs a sound body. The one reacts on the other. The world is supposed to be only the projection of the mind. When the mind is inoperative during sleep, the world too is inoperative and non existent. The mind too has to be healthy. It should not be clogged by greed, envy, hate, or pride. Swami says doctors are really speaking the most important class of sevaks under present condition. Theirs is indeed a noble calling. When seva is rendered with love, intelligence, and earnestness, it leads person nearer and nearer to divinity, for it draws unto itself the grace of God. This is the reason why the scriptures elevate the doctor to the status of God. Vaidyo Narayano Harihi. The doctor is Narayana, he is Hari, the remover or destroyer, since he destroys hurdle on the path of man to sadhana. If the doctor is full of love and compassion, God works through him. The doctor is no longer he, but it is Narayana who manipulates his fingers and dispenses through him. The perfect example taken from Tabovanam, Sri Satya Sai Satsarira, who has performed the surgery. A man suffering from a number of ailments got his heart examined in the super specialty hospital. His condition was extremely distressing. Doctor felt that he was in no position to undergo the strain of surgical intervention and refused to do anything. The patient began to pray vigorously to Swami that he should somehow get the operation done and restore him to normal health. Swami heard his prayers. He talked to the doctors and inquired how this particular patient was doing. They explained that he was suffering from several complaints and in their opinion was not a fit case for operation. Swami said, "Go ahead and perform the operation. Nothing untoward will happen. I will oversee it." The operation was performed, and to the utter disbelief of doctors, it was successful. Some days later, Swami inquired about his health. The doctors informed him that the operation was very successful and that the patient was in an excellent condition. It is a usual practice at the super specialty hospital to take video films to operation performed in complicated cases. Swami asked the doctor to view one of those video films. They were surprised when they did so. They found Swami in several forms, resembling each one of them around the operation table. Relieved of their pride and ego, they realized that it was Swami and Swami alone who was performing operation, and that they were only incidental, mere tools in his divine hand. With utter humility, they bowed to the lotus feet of Swami. I pray Swami to save the world from the deadly virus and safeguard from all evils. I conclude this speech by playing Sai Bhajan sung by Swami's student Rajaram. Let us all join him.
नारायण हरि नारायण भज नारायण साई नारायण नारायण हरि नारायण 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 भज नारायण साई नारायण नारायण हरि नारायण भज नारायण साई नारायण नारायण हरि नारायण नारायण साई नारायण नारायण हरि नारायण नारायण साई नारायण.
I submit this speech and song to the lotus feet of Swami and seek his blessings and pardon me for my mistakes. Please subscribe Spiritual Discourses channel for updates. Jai Sai Ram.